We're the Footit Boys and it's New Year's Eve and we're going to go and buy some fireworks tonight.
Yay! Are you excited? Yeah! You want to go buy a big firework?
Using the GoPro, Benny.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Show me your face.
Okay, let's go. Hold hands. Let's go.
We're gonna go to the next shop, the last shop. They have more fireworks than usual. Wow! Whoa! A lot.
Wow, look at all the fireworks.
Look at this one.
You want that one? Okay.
Get one for me? Yeah.
Let's get some big ones.
You have color.
Yeah, let's get more big ones. Now we're Peter.
Yeah.
He's putting the rubber bands around the fireworks. So, waiting. Now, we're gonna go now. GoPro. Look at Dexter. Spider-Man. I'll show you something.
What is it?
No, grasshopper.
Grass? It's a bug. Do you want to try one?
No.
Come on. Jim Dame? Papa. If Papa's going to eat a grasshopper, you got to eat a grasshopper, okay?
I want to eat.
Here, look, ready? I'll get the grasshopper. Film it, son.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. Okay. Well, there we go. Let's have a look. Ready? Mmm, yummy. Yum. Sonny. Go, Sonny. Sonny's gonna. Oh. Sonny's gonna eat a grasshopper.
Why?
Mmm, yummy.
What does it taste like?
Yummy. They're good. Go, Sonny. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go. They're yummy. Come on, Benny. Go on, you eat one. I'll give you 10 baht if you eat one.
So you go buy my present?
Yeah, I'll buy you a present, okay? Ready?
Yes, only one.
One.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go. Hop in car. Benny, are you a YouTuber, Benny?
Yeah.
Okay, hold the camera up.
I hope we get the play button. Bags of smoke bombs, like this. This firework, my favorite, is this massive firework that goes in the sky. And it is really beautiful. So next, it's going to be this. This is a mega firework. It goes in the sky like this one. Even a little bit pop onions from SeaWorld. I'm going to show you what does the inside look like. This is what they look like, onions. So we call them pop onions. And you light it up over here. But I forgot to tell you, everything you light, it comes out from where you light it. And we still got one more, which is the Mega Firework too, but a different brand. And it has 8 shots, same as this one, 8 gold Roman, and this is the 8 shot. One more than a smoke bomb. That's all we have. Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You count down.
1, 2, 3. Go. I think it didn't work.
Didn't work. Okay, let's try again. Count down.
3, 2, 1. That was crazy, man.
Okay, remember kids, you should never touch or play with fireworks. They're very dangerous, and you let the adults do it, mum and dad, okay? Do not touch or play with fireworks.